Hey everyone, my name is Juan Muñiz and I'm the lead global regulatory specialist here at Universal. And I want to share with you some recent developments we have for aircraft operating into Mexico. We recently announced the change of Mexico's DGAC to the agency AFAC and how that transition will bring about changes to Mexico's civil aviation regulations. One of those regulations just was implemented on November 19th, where AFAC implemented a permanent ramp check program for all foreign registered aircraft arriving into any airport in Mexico. The reason why they're doing these ramp checks is to diminish the illegal charters that are occurring in the country. The ramp checks are conducted on arrival and usually take about 30 minutes to complete as long as all the documentation requested is presented at that time. What the authorities are checking for are aircraft documents and crew documents, as well as aircraft equipment and the condition of the aircraft. For a complete list of the documents that may be requested or any other information that you might need, please give us a call or visit the link below for our blog. Also, stay tuned for many more regulatory updates coming your way. Hasta luego.